Hi, I'm Jamie from Loopy Tulip Designs, and in this video I'll show you how to make these lovely flowers. They're a great addition to any floral applique and are really easy to make. First, you'll cut 6 or 7 2¼ inch circles. The size of your flower will vary based on the number of petals and how tightly each petal is gathered, but mine will finish to about 2½ inches. Now we'll fold a circle in half and then in half again and gather the raw edge. Make sure you use a double strand of thread that closely matches your fabric. Once you've finished gathering, take a couple of back stitches to secure the gather. Now, add the rest of the petals in the same way. I like to be consistent on how I put the petals on. The double fold is always on the same side. When all of the petals are gathered and secured, stitch the last petal to the first like this, and then bring your thread to the back of the fabric before clipping it. To make the middle circle, I like to use appliques. Choose a size that covers all of the raw edges and stitches. Cut a circle of fabric large enough to give you about a 3/16 inch seam allowance. Center the applique over the fabric circle and push it into the next bigger applique. Starch, press the seam allowance towards the middle and continue pressing until the seam allowance stays put. Next, you'll need to allow the metal to cool and the fabric to set before taking out the applique. Now that I have all the parts ready, I'll sew the petals to the background about 1/8 inch away from the raw edge. This can be done by machine, which is quicker, or by hand, which is more accurate. I'll do it by hand. Next, we'll base the circle to the flower and sew around the edge using the basic applique stitch. When you get about 2/3 of the way around, you can remove the basting thread and then add some stuffing if you want a stuffed center. Lastly, you'll finish sewing the circle and you're finished. And here's an example of what they'll look like. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit subscribe below and share it with a friend. And of course, go to loopytulips.com to see what other fun projects and classes I offer.